Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Twitter account. So if you want to be on Twitter in order to get in contact with a lot of national and international affairs and a lot of things that are happening on a global arena, along with information related to entertainment or any other field, it's a really wonderful platform to be on. So if you want to sign up for your account, you need to follow these step-by-step instructions in order to do so. For this, first of all, head over to your Twitter app after you've downloaded the app on your device. If you're already logged into a certain account, you will land on an interface like this. Now, in order to create a new account, in order to sign up, you have to go to the upper left-hand side section that shows your profile icon, and then tap on the 3 horizontal lines. After you tap on the dots, you will see an option that says create a new account. Tap on create a new account. And when you do that, you will now have to enter your name, your phone number, and your date of birth. So here, I'm just going to enter my name over here. And then after doing that, you have to enter either your phone number or your email address. So here, I'm just going to enter my phone number and then enter my date of birth. After doing so, make sure that you tap on the next button. And then it's going to ask you if you want to customize your experience. So you can simply tap on next and then tap on next again. And now after doing this, you can simply tap on sign up. So first of all, you'll have to verify your phone number. So there will be a certain verification code that's sent to your mobile device. So tap on OK and then enter the verification code on this section. And then tap on the next button. As soon as I do that, I'll now have to set up a password. So I'm just going to set up a password for my account and then tap on next. Now I can either add a profile picture at the moment or I can skip for now. So I'm just going to skip these processes for now because I can always come back to them later. And as you can see here, when I tap on the next button, I will already have created my account over here. So this is basically how you can sign up. It's a very simple process and I hope that this video has helped you get through it. If it did, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also do share and subscribe to How to Geek. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.